Devin here with Patriot Awning Company. Coming at you today from Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. We love it out here. The weather is always beautiful. I love coming out here riding the jet skis. I tell you, Shem Creek, I go out on Shem Creek and it is just gorgeous. There's always dolphins. There's always dolphins on Shem Creek. So if you get a chance to come down to Charleston, awesome place. Today we're out at what's going to be an extra space self-storage facility, and I wanted to show you guys the AmeriDeck canopy system. And we did some non-impact Bahama shutters. These are decorative shutters that we did on this project. Listen, Patriot Awning Company, we are one of 4 licensed general contractors currently in North Carolina. We're one of 10 licensed general contractors in South Carolina. Jobs like this, you need a licensed general contractor. Anything over $10,000 in South Carolina, you're supposed to be a licensed general contractor. Anything over $40,000 in North Carolina, you're supposed to be a licensed general contractor. These canopies that we did, got some paint on me. These canopies that we did, AmeriDeck awning system, 8-inch flat gutter fascia. We did round hanger rods featuring concentric reducers, threaded rod, yoke ends, ear mounts, and square escutcheon plates. These hanger rods are completely customizable. If you just want an 1.5 inch square hanger rod, that's probably the easiest thing to do. You could do a 2-inch square hanger rod. We could do 2-inch round hanger rods. Really, the sky is the limit on the hanger rods. But this project came out really well. Listen, we're gonna get the drone up in the air. We're gonna fly it around. It's a beautiful day today. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to take the jet ski. I'm not gonna be able to take the jet ski out on Shem Creek to visit the dolphins today because, well, I've got scissor lifts behind my truck today instead. I'll have to come down to play another day, but it's all good. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a great one.
Ring a ding ding!